He's missing something.
That's right, he's missing
His horn!
well done. A rhinoceros has a big horn on his head. And now it's time for all of you kids to
Colour him in!
Exactly!
I'm going to colour his horn in. There.
Oh, yeah? Doesn't he seem nice?
Hello, Rhinoceros. My name's Louie, and this is Yoko.
Hello to you. And hello to you.
Hello, Rhinoceros!
Excuse me, but I have a terribly itchy back. It's disturbing and frightfully irritating.
Wait, I'll help ya. I'm a tick bird. Pleased to meet you.
Oh, that's much better. Oh, thank you.
Would you like to be my friend?
Of course, but there are conditions, you know.
Pardon?
You are to stay in my back the entire time.
Oh, that's just fine with me. It really, really is.
Here we go, then.
Woohoo! Goodbye and thank you very much.
Goodbye now. You see, Yoko? Our tick bird friend has finally found a friend for life.
You know, Louie, I'm very lucky to have you as a friend.
Me too, Yoko. Oh, I forgot. I have to take your photo. Come on, Yoko. Hey! Ready, Yoko? This will be a perfect picture. Watch the birdie.
Louie!